Welcome, and following me is a Huawei P Smart Pro, and today I will show you how to enable the developer options. So to get started, you want to go into the settings and scroll down all the way to System, and from here tap on About Phone, and you should see build number. Now tap on the build number 7 times, and once you tap on it 7 times, you will get this, only if you have a screen lock. Now I do, that's why it pops up with confirmation of it. Now, if you're using something different than pattern, for instance a pin, then it will require you to put in the pin. So confirm it, and once you do, it will be enabled. So from here, you want to go back, and you will find that there's a new option right here called Developer Options. Tap on it, and you have access to, well, all the developer options, as you can see. Now, I would restrain encourage you not to mess around here too much if you don't know what you're doing. Some of these options will, for instance, perform a hard reset of the device. Some of them might just disable certain parts of the device and how it works. So just be cautious on what you're enabling. If you're looking for something, I don't know, that as a normal user you might have use of, then I would say something like animation speeds right here, the 3 options. So window, transition, and animation, scales and durations. You can change that around just to have a different speed of animations. But just of it, that is how you would enable the developer options. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.